I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Everest Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select Nutshell CRM. Give here the username and API token. So please visit the Nutshell username and API token. Add API key. Give here a meaningful name. Choose Permission API plus User Impersonation. New API key. Click on it, copy the API key and paste it on the integration site. For username, navigate to the users and teams. Copy the user email, then go to the integration site and paste it into the username. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your Nutshell CRM dashboard and navigate to the people. And here you can see that the data successfully came in the Nutshell CRM. Thanks for watching.